I'm here at a good friend of ours, Duncan's garage. Duncan works on some very exclusive cars, old ones, new ones, some very nice ones. This is what we're here to look at. This is obviously an Aston Martin. He's just done a scan check on it, haven't you, Dunk?
I have, yes.
And we're just about to start this and hear the horror.
It is a proper horror.
You go for it, mate. Oh. Enough, put it. You see, the situation is that you'll take this car to a garage that doesn't know as much as us, and then we get all the horrible jobs like this, and then when you return, your car's been repaired, supposedly by that garage, but it's more so by people like ourselves.
Absolutely.
We're here to assess this vehicle, and I think we're going to pull the engine, and then we're going to have to open the engine up and find out what's gone on, and get back to the customer and give him the sad reality of what's happened. It's another day. Speak to you soon.